Smart Bin. The proposed project is suitable for smart cities. The smart waste management system communicates with driver mobile and cloud using a Wi-Fi communication. In this system, the main objective is to monitor the height and weight of the garbage filled in the bin using an ultrasonic sensor and a load cell. This system not only monitors the fullness of the bin but also sends an alert message whenever the height of the garbage in the bin is greater than the threshold value. It will send the intimation to the municipal authorities and stores the data in cloud for future actions.
This system monitors amount of garbage and weight of garbage and also sends the alert message if garbage is about to fill. Here, the ultrasonic sensor which is placed at the top of the dustbin, which will read the status of the dustbin. It is used to measure the distance of target object by emitting ultrasonic sound waves and converts the reflected sound into an electrical signal. The threshold limit is set as 26 cm when the garbage once achieves its limit level, which will trigger the GSM modem through ESP8266 node MCU, which ends the alert message to authority. Then the load sensor, which is placed at the bottom of the dustbin and used to measure the weight. When the threshold reaches its actual weight, which will trigger the GSM modem through ESP8266 node MCU, which will send the alert message to the municipal authority. It is also fixed with the help of wood by the cantilever technique. Using our project, maximum height of the garbage that we can measure is 26 cm. These both sensors are interfaced with ESP8266 node MCU and finally using an Wi-Fi modem, technology sending an alert message to the respective authorities with the help of cloud data. Here, once the wastage is filled in the garbage, we can see the variation which changes from 0 grams to 36 grams. It is due to the load cell which is fixed with the help of cantilever technique. Then the garbage bin is collected automatically through alert message.
Ultrasonic sensor is an electronic device that measures the distance of the target object by emitting ultrasonic waves and converts the reflected sound into an electrical signal. Ultrasonic waves travel faster than the speed of an audible sound and it's used to measure the height of the garbage in the smart bin. Our smart bin, the process of the ultrasonic sensor in our smart bin is an ultrasonic sensor is placed at the top of the dustbin which reads the status of the dustbin. The connection of ultrasonic sensor with ESP8266 mode MCU is used to sense the height of the garbage and the threshold limit is set to 26 cm. When the garbage bin achieves the limited value, then the ultrasonic sensor connected to ESP8266 will trigger the GSM modem and sends the alert message to the authority or respective drivers. And load cell. Load cell is nothing but it's an transducer which converts a force into a measurable electrical output. The load cell is a type of a transducer and it's specifically a force transducer. It converts a force into tension, compression and pressure, torque into an electrical signal and it has been measured and standardized. As a force applied to a load cell increases, the electrical signal changes proportionally. Here, our load cell is used for detecting the how much of the amount of weight of the garbage that has been contained in the bin. The load cells are generally consist of a spring element and here we are used in a cantilever process which is used to help to sense the load in the dustbin. Our load sensor is fixed with the help of the hood by a cantilever technique. A structural load cantilever carries the loads to the support where it is forced to against by the moment and the shear resist. Here and finally the load cell is used to sense the weight of the garbage contained in the smart bin. That's it. And the UBDOTS and the ESP8266 has been explained by Vinita.
UBDOTS. UBDOTS is a platform that allows linking different types of devices to the cloud database and save variables in simple and fast manner. Process of UBDOTS. Once the height and weight of the garbage is found, it will send an alert message using a UBDOTS. The alert message is sent to a particular driver in order to collect the garbage from the smart bin and the UBDOT message format will be in the form of smart bin number and the location of dustbin. Using UBDOTS, our alert message will be sent to our respective authority. This message will display the smart bin number, location, then height and weight of the garbage. In future, smart bin can also be connected to the solar panel and GPS model so that it acts as self-working beam, and it is definitely very essential and useful technology for the smart cities.
Here shows the results of Smart Bin. Thank you.